Buy entertainment tonight. Declare it a spa room. Try HoMedics massaging bubble mat. Add a SipCaddy bath and shower portable Cupholder. Try a milk bath. Declutter your space. Pick up some fresh flowers. Try Aromatherapy and essential oils. Burn some candles. Lots of candles. Let Conair's dual jet spa bath. Install a light dimmer switch. Organize with glass jars. Pick up a bath pillow. Buy some oversized towels. Wear a fluffy white robe. Turn on relaxing music. Pick up a Bristle body brush. Pick up a Bristle body brush. Paint it in soothing colors.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.